Hello everyone and welcome in more to chess. Firstly, I want to thank all of you for the support and love you gave me on the previous video. It was really good. Keep supporting. And the knockout of FTX Crypto Cup has already started and we have a very dramatic and beautiful game by the two legends which we are waiting to see. Let's explore it. Here Hikaru with the white pieces and Magnus with the black pieces. Hikaru starts with the move e4. Magnus replied e5. Knight to f3. Knight c6, bishop to b5, a6 attacking the bishop, bishop a4. As we all know, this is the Ruy-Lopez variation. Knight f6, white castles here. Now knight cross e4. This opening setup is known as open Ruy-Lopez variation. White played d4, b5 attacking the bishop. Now bishop to b3, active diagonal. Now b5, white played d cross e5, bishop to e6, and this is all theory going on. Knight b to d2. This particular setup is known as Bernstein variation of Ruy-Lopez. Here white wants to exchange with this strong knighting and attacking the bishop. White played c3. Now bishop e7, black is ready to castle. Bishop to c2, avoiding the bishop exchange. Now black played d4, knight to b3, white developing. T cross c3, knight cross c5, bishop cross c5, bishop to e4, attacking this knight and also the rook. Queen d7, defending the knight. Now b cross c3, recapture this. Black played rook to d8, activating his a8 rook. White played queen c2 with the idea of attacking on the h7 square. Knight e7. Knight e7 is the mistake. The way to go is first playing bishop to d5, trying to exchange as many pieces as possible. Bishop g5. Instead, if you are thinking about rook d1, then bishop cross e4 wins the position for white. So bishop g5. Now bishop takes e4, queen takes e4, and then knight e7, and black is fine here. But he played knight e7 first. After that Hikaru played bishop g5, pinning this rook. Now h6 attacking the bishop. Rook f to d1 coming with the tempo, attacking the queen. Queen c8, bishop cross e7. The more cleaner way to do is first take this rook, then queen cross d8, bishop c6 check, king f8, and now black's h8 rook's power is only imaginary. So white is very much better here, but instead white played bishop cross e7, which is also a very good move. Now rook cross d1, rook cross d1. Here Magnus takes the bishop with the king. What he wants to avoid is after bishop cross e7, bishop c6 check, king f8, this position, but it is better than the original one. As we can see, original after king cross e7, Hikaru played knight d4. Here Hikaru immediately spotted the idea and played the most accurate move, knight d4. Magnus played rook e8 in order to go king f8 and safeguard his king. But Hikaru says bishop f3, don't go there, I'm also coming here. And then Magnus played g6. This is the third critical point where Magnus did the mistake, which worsened the position in order to ban this queen's entry, and also it created a new weakness on h6. Here instead the best way to go is bishop takes d4, c takes d4, and bishop g4 in order to exchange as much pieces as possible, because the king is in danger in the open position and all the major pieces are very threat to him. Now queen c5 check, king to d8, bishop takes g4, queen cross g4, still winning for white, but white have more fight. But instead Magnus played g6, Hikaru played queen d2, instantly attacking the new formed weakness. Now bishop takes d4, c takes d4, and bishop g4 in order to exchange as many pieces as possible. Now d5. Now in this position every chess player must agree with me that this is a nightmare for any chess player. Now bishop cross f3 and d6 check. Here Hikaru goes engine mode, all perfect moves. Black played king d7. Now taking the bishop, g takes f3, rook to e6 with the idea of moving the king on e8 if necessary. Rook c1 attacking twice on c7. Now c5, queen to e3, defending this pawn and also attacking this pawn twice. Now c4, queen a7 check, king to e8 only move. Now rook d1 with the idea of pushing this pawn. Queen d7, black still wants to exchange. Now queen a8 check, queen to d8, queen cross a6 collecting some pawns. Here everything is winning. Now king f8, queen cross b5, queen g5 check, king to f1, rook cross e5. Here Magnus takes the pawn, but Hikaru just finished off the game in a style. After queen cross e5, Magnus resigned here, because after queen cross e5 d7 there are no checks and there is no way to stop the queening instead of taking the pawn itself from queen. Okay, so that's all for this game. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned. Bye bye.